Hey friends, if you wish to fix black screen on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. Now, what causes a black screen? I mean, we know about the blue screen of death, but the black screen. When drivers start interfering with the system drivers, then a black screen may be caused. And why does this happen? It happens when you connect peripherals which start pushing the drivers. So if you have an extra monitor, a printer or a scanner, remove it first and actually remove all unnecessary peripherals from your system to isolate the cause. The second solution is to restart File Explorer. How do we do this? Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Wait for the list to load. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Now, how do we update the graphics card drivers? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and let it open. Expand Display Adapters. Right click on your graphics card driver and select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. The last solution is to uninstall the latest Windows update. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Update History. Scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall and then uninstall once again to uninstall the latest update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.